Oh, you can do it? Good job. What is it? What is inside? Oh, wow. What is that? Open, open. Daddy, help us. I don't think you can do it there. Whoa! It's a red box. It's a red box from Ferrero. Wow! Check if there's a Kinder Egg. Wow, what is that? Oh, wow, chocolate. I don't know if there's a Kinder Egg there. Is it? Oh, wow.
Oh, that's your favorite, Bella.
Bella, what's your favorite car? I think I see a Kinder Egg. What's this? Oh. Wow! Bella, what do you say to Daddy? Say thank you, Daddy. Oh. Give Daddy a hug and kiss.
What about
Yeah.
this one?
Oh, yummy.
That one? Or no, this one.
Oh, Bella's favorite. Oh, that one too.
Remember that one?
Yeah, that's Bella's favorite too. Wow, that's a lot. Okay. What you say to Daddy, Theo? Okay, share. Share, guys. No fighting.